Affairs and Minority Affairs, Sri Kiran Rijiju ji, my colleague, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, and Mission Leader NEBHA, Sri Satyaprakash ji, secretaries from the state legislatures and the nodal departments at the state level, colleagues from National Informatics Center, delegates, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to all of you. Mr. Satyaprakash has already welcomed you all on behalf of the ministry. I am also very delighted to welcome you to this third national conference on National E-Vidhan application, which is being hosted after a gap of 3 to 4 years. And your presence, more than 100 participants are in this hall today. Your presence underscores our shared commitment to strengthening parliamentary democracy through technology-enabled institutional reforms. As you are aware, NEBHA is a flagship initiative under the Digital India Mission, envisioned by our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, to make governance transparent, efficient, and citizen-centric. It represents a modern legislative governance architecture which is harmonized, paperless, secure, and inclusive. I am happy to inform you that as we sit here now, 28 legislatures have signed MOU with our ministry. 26 have already secured the funding, and 20 have gone on live. Collectively, over 90,000 questions and more than 600 bills have been processed digitally on NEBHA platform, which is a clear indication that digital legislative governance has been taking firm roots across the country. Equally noteworthy is NEBHA's contribution to the Sustainable Development Goals, especially SDG 12, SDG 13, and SDG 15. I am just sharing with you one information. If all the state legislatures go fully digital, we will be saving about 3.7 lakh trees per year if all of us go paperless. And it is not a small thing. As all of you are aware, success of NEBHA rests squarely on the leadership and commitment at your level. Leadership of the Honorable Presiding Officers of the Legislative Assemblies, Councils, and the eagerness of the Honorable Members to actually adopt this digital platform. Your readiness to embrace new processes, build capacities, and re-engineer your workflows will determine the overall outcome under NEBHA. Mr. Satyaprakash has already told about machine learning and artificial intelligence. In fact, artificial intelligence is actually the flavor of the day. As we advance NEBHA NEBHA is poised to adopt artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced analytical tools, which will help the honorable members access structured knowledge, summarized debates, multilingual interfaces, and data-driven insights. We should aim to build a platform that not only facilitates legislative work, but also strengthens the quality of legislative deliberation itself. I extend my gratitude to the Honorable Minister, Sri Kiran Rijiju ji, for his guidance, encouragement, to the NIC team who are in the ministry as well at the state level for the technical stewardship, and to all the state legislatures for their ownership of NEVA. Without the ownership of NEVA, we would not have been able to come to this position. Together, let us remember it, together we are not just building or adopting a digital system, but we are laying the foundation and building on a modern parliamentary culture which is efficient, paperless, data-driven, and citizen-centric. And our shared resolve to advance the Honorable Prime Minister's vision, that is one nation, one application, will put us as the leader in the adoption of transparent and technology-driven and innovative democratic process-led institution in the country. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। हम जानते हैं कि ये लम्हा जो है वो